right down the road from me.
Just above 302.
It's kind of ridiculous how many people it is. Not like in a bad way, but
It's been upgraded just a bit. That would be fun to tell. Yeah, that's not making 400.
oh, you said this guy lives down the street from you?
Yeah, literally, it's right down the road from me. This is the one I was telling you guys. I don't. Maybe I didn't call you about it, but I was like,
Nah, you don't ever call me. Do you know him?
I got a 50-gallon drum of it, but I bought it through Evans, so I don't know what I paid for it.
How long was this last?
Well, I mean, I put 12 gallons in this last week.
On the zero, maybe like the obvious page. My secret is
that is so true. The candid are the best. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know how to make it. Like I made like one time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Candid is always like
All I had was like
So it's weird that they're all together. Well, I think are they being quiet?
I feel as though this is like a big shot. God, that's
Did you get a new one? No, I have one for wood. That flat plane crank, this is all we're doing. I can go out on the track. I can go that pace with all 4 of y'all in the car. Maybe they're just kind of
I thought that was Ivan.
Yeah, I was like, Dad, trade it up.
All right, so like I said, I did more chilling than anything, but we are about to head to Outpost Armory. They got some sales going on, 12 bucks for ammo and stuff like that, but had fun. I know I didn't get a lot of the cars. There was a lot of cars out here, but I wanted to come out here and have fun. So if y'all see any of your own cars, definitely leave a comment down below or find me on Instagram and hit me in a boat, shout out or whatever. I can try to pause the frame, send you shots of your car or whatever, but nice cars, lovely cars as always. Never a disappointment when you come out here, even when it is low. It's really never a disappointment, but that's gonna be for this video. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you are tapped in. We are on the road to 1K. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. TJ TV. I'll catch y'all in the next one.